SMDHQ Friday morning. Got a little special delivery that I got delivered across the way over there yesterday while we were gone. Let's go pick it up, see what it is. Alright, let's go get this shit. Let's get the Mando come with me. You guys are cool over here. Wonder what it is. You have any idea what it is? I already told you, huh? Right there, looks good. Yeah, what do we have here? You know how we do it. Oh, wow. That is a straight up crate. I thought it was just going to be cardboard boxes. What is going on with that? Straight up treasure chest looking boxes. Dang. Okay, looking at this, I don't know if I even know how to open this thing. I guess maybe bend these tabs up or something on the top. Okay. Not sure what it is. There's more in there. I think I know. I don't know if I'm even doing this right. Circle raise, here's the oh, what? Careful with that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh boy. Shouldn't be too heavy. It's Neo, but it's still a big speaker. I've never seen a subwoofer come in a crate like this before, but we finally got it open. We got that one open. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna need a drill. That one's a little stripped out. Huh. Those are all stripped. Those are just spinning. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to figure out a game plan here. Okay, I thought these were gonna be some sort of a sheetrock screw or something, but they are actually machine screws with a wing nut on them. That's why they were spinning. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get this one. Do I have to take this whole crate apart? I hate to take this crate apart. This crate's nice. I might not be able to get to these. There we go. That's why it was spinning out. You ready for this? Look at that thing. Ready? Oh my God, look at this thing. This thing is so nice. Ready? There we go. Look at it. Oh my God. Look at it. Let's open up the other one so it can have its brother right next to it. Dang, it's still heavy even though it's Neo. God damn. Oh. Well, we got two different types of subs here. We got Neo and we got a old school ferrite. Right on. One of each. I don't know that much about these, but I guess I could have looked right here. These are the DB 5515s, dual 2. Of course, we got the same one down here, except for that one's a Neo. Badass. This box was in between the two subs. I'm not sure what it is. It's probably foam or something. But just in case it's something, we'll go ahead and open it up and see. I thought, you know what? For a minute I was like, it is foam, and I was going to be disappointed. And then I turned it around and, yeah, looks like something. That's a mighty fine looking little backpack right there. Yeah. Ugh. I like that a lot. Sick. I mean, we all know Neo's cool and all, but this thing is no punk. I'm telling you. Damn. So that was just a quick unboxing, having a little bit of fun. I wanted to open up the treasure chest and show you guys. I don't know that much about these. I can tell you right now that these things are no joke. They're so heavy. Even the Neo's quite heavy for a 15-inch sub and for being Neo. Only thing left to do is to weigh it. But before we weigh it, let's go get the boys. Hey, KK, you want to be part of this contest? Prizes involved. Brandon. Brando. Hey. Hey, you want to come be part of this contest? There's prizes involved. Yeah, we're guessing the weight of these two subwoofers that I got. Def Boss 5515s. There's a Neo and a regular magnet in there. Are you down? All right. I'm warning you guys though, these are so heavy that we're gonna take turns lifting them. Like we're gonna help each other put them on the scale. I don't know what they weigh yet, but we'll see. Ant Dog. Where's Anthony at? You want to be part of this, Anthony, or what? All right, this is what we're gonna do. Dude, check these out. You didn't even see these yet, did you, Brandon? Look at these. No, you're not. I mean, I'd rather you're not. I need you to come to work tomorrow. So here's the deal. We're gonna play guess the weight, and we'll weigh them both. The person who guesses the number closest combined, I'm gonna give you a Def Bounce backpack, and I'll slide a $20 bill in it.
Oh, is this between us?
Yeah, you three. First of all,
Combined weight?
combined. So you could tell me how much do you think this one weighs? Okay, hold on 1 second. So you guys can't copy each other's numbers. Take one. There's 3 notepads there. Write down what you think each one weighs, and we'll add it up. This is gonna be fun. Push that Neo one in. I don't even know how much power these things handle, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna hook them up. I need everybody in the comment section to tell me what you want to see first, the Neo or the ferrite. With that, I'm out of here. Dude, that thing's got a USB port on it.
Put the power pack in there? A cord?
Sick. That's a nice backpack.